up, ladies? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Meekah Lynn, or Wigs to Wasteland, and here we are, sis. And guess what? Our lovely friends at YWigs decided to send your girl not one, but 2 units to review. Boo. So before we get into this, do consider subscribing to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I would love for you to drop your girl a comment down below. Now, as I mentioned, they did send your girl 2 units. I have no idea which unit I'm going to pick first. I do not have this planned out, and we are going to do that now. So let's get into YWigs.
King, you know it. King already, you know it. Top everything, you know it. King already, you know it. My body's so got a king body. Body gon' shine, bling, bling body. Calling all the shots, ring body. Crown on your head, got a king body. Don't live with king, you a king, you know it. King already, my baby, you know it. Top everything, you know it. King already, you know it. Shine already, it's time already. 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 Don't live the king, you know it. King already, you know it. Everything, you know it. King already, you know it. My body so got a king body. Body gon' shine, bling, bling body. Calling all the shots, ring body. Crown on your head, got a king body. Don't live the king, you know it. King already, my baby, you know it. Top everything, you know it. King already, you know it. Shine already, time already. Shine already, time already. Shine already, time already. Time already. Diamonds on my fist like intimate job. Come and rest your head, take your crown off. Woke up in the phone, need to take it slow. Said I'm moving too fast, need to take it slow. Take it slow. Take it slow. Trying to take my baby home. Take it slow.
Right now, it's Great Value Idris, the rental car, and my skis. Cause baby, I'm feeling like a chocolate snow bunny right now. I am ready to go, baby. Thank you to YWigs for sending out the unit. Definitely appreciate it. This is their 13x6 undetectable skin melt clear lace Kinky Straight unit in 20 inches, 180% density. I do believe that this is a medium cap. Best part, baby, they are offering you some money off. Take advantage of the code in the description box down below. Yes, baby. This lace right here, sis, okay? Get all up in there. Pre-plucked where, boo? Right there. That's where, boo. Yes, they took care of all the fuss for you. They pre-plucked this unit, and the knots are actually considerably small. So, baby, yes, she's giving scalp. Yes, this lace right here, sis. Clear lace is here. I debated whether or not I was going to bleach the knots, and guess what, baby? I did not bleach the knots. Yes, baby. This is all straight out of the pack. I do appreciate, baby, they gave you a widow's peak. Hello. Okay. I debated on whether or not I was going to keep it. I decided to keep it because I think it just looks really natural on this unit. Now, I did go a little heavy with the swoopity swoops on here, baby. And I must say, they are coming together pretty nicely. My only issue with this cap fit was I did not get a lot of room on the side, so I did have to go in and kind of finagle and swoopity swoop my own little faux sideburns, if you will. That fit is really snug, baby. She's not headache snug, okay? But if homegirl wanted to get the tugging, she ain't gonna move a bit. I did take advantage of the elastic band in the back. However, I am not using the combs because, baby, she is laying flat, flat, flat. I did go in with my hot comb, and I did also go in with my wand curler. I really just put the barrel curls in it. I wanted to kind of have that blowout, you know, natural, cozy look, baby. I did go in with my wand curler by TIGI. This is their bedhead wand curl. This was set to 430 and the curls just popped, baby. Now, if you are interested in this bad boy, I will have her linked in the description box down below. Left it on for about maybe not even half a minute. Took it out and boing! Came to life, baby. This hair is holding its curl. She is thick with it. Hello. Now, usually with these Kinky Straight units, putting these curls in here, you can kind of get that pageant look, okay? You kind of take it back to 1985. But this go around, the unit lays super flat. I had no issues getting this part to lay down. The hair just comes to life. It's nice. It has body. Baby, she is moving. This is the 20-inch. I do feel that if you go with the 16-inch or even the 18-inch, it is going to look just as bomb, baby. And this must be a popular unit because the 10, 12, and 14-inch are sold out, honey. Yeah, so I'm definitely, wow, YWigs. Oh, girl. Hold on, let me make sure y'all see the bling. Woo. Okay, great value, Idris. Let's hit them slopes, baby. So if you are interested in checking out the information for this unit, I will have a direct link in the description box down below. Big thank you to YWigs for sending out the unit, but most importantly, big thank you to all of you for tuning in. Definitely consider subscribing to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and I would love for you to drop your girl a comment down below. Take care of yourself, ladies, and take care of yourself. Keep yourself first. Keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one.